Good financial management is the key to achieving your financial goals. One essential tool for managing your finances is creating a monthly budget. In this video, we will discuss the importance of creating a monthly budget and how to create a budget that will help you track your expenses and income. 1. Why create a monthly budget? Helps you to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Helps you to prioritize your spending and allocate your money to the things that matter most to you. Helps you to plan for future expenses, such as emergencies, vacations, or major purchases. Helps you to stay on track with your financial goals, such as paying off debt or saving for a down payment on a house. 2. How to create a monthly budget. Determine your monthly income. Add up all the money you receive each month from all sources, including your salary, rental income, and any other sources of income. List your expenses. Make a list of all your monthly expenses, including fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, car payments, and insurance, and variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories, such as housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and savings. Allocate your income. Assign a dollar amount to each category based on your income and priorities. Be sure to allocate enough money to cover your fixed expenses and savings goals first. Monitor your spending. Track your spending throughout the month and compare it to your budget. If you find that you are overspending in one category, adjust your budget for the following month. 3. Tools for creating a monthly budget. Pen and paper. This is the simplest and cheapest way to create a budget. Simply list your income and expenses and use a calculator to add up the numbers. Spreadsheet. A spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets can help you create a more detailed and customized budget. You can easily update your budget each month and track your spending in real time. Budgeting apps. There are many budgeting apps available that can help you create and track your budget on your smartphone or tablet. Some popular budgeting apps include Mint, YNAB, and PocketGuard. 4. Tips for sticking to your budget. Be realistic. Set realistic goals and expectations for your budget. Don't try to cut back too much too quickly, or you may become discouraged and give up. Be disciplined. Stick to your budget, even when it's difficult. Avoid impulse purchases and unnecessary expenses. Be flexible. Your budget should be a living document that you can adjust as needed. If your income or expenses change, update your budget accordingly. Conclusion. Creating a monthly budget is an essential tool for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. By following the steps outlined in this presentation, you can create a budget that will help you track your expenses and income, prioritize your spending, and stay on track with your financial goals. Thank you for watching this video on financial advice for new households. I hope you found the information helpful in achieving financial stability. Thanks for watching.